Differences between the scores in preliminary and midterm examination of third year criminology in Crim 190. So, presented by Angel Bert Jimenez, presented to Mrs. Rowena Aragon. So for hypothesis, we have here the null hypothesis. There is no differences between the scores in preliminary and midterm examination of third-year criminology students in Crim 190. So for alternative hypothesis, there is a differences between the scores in preliminary and midterm examination of third-year education students in Field Study 1. So for formula and given df equals 15 minus 1 equals 14, level of significance equals 0.05, t computed equals 1.27, t critical equals 1.761, n equals 15, summation of d equals 30, summation of d squared equals 578. The formula for the paired sample t-test equals test of significance equals mean of d minus null over standard deviation over square root of n. So dito sa mean of differences equals summation of d divided by total of n. Standard deviation equals summation of d squared minus summation d squared divided by n over n minus 1. So this is the responses. 15 persons respond through the Google Sheet. So score in prelim, yun magiging exabuan mo, yung score nila sa Eduk 190. So i-input mo lang yung magiging exabuan mo, yung 45, 44, 48, 31, 48 pababa. Tapos score in midterm, yung score naman nila ng midterm dun sa Eduk 190, pababa ulit. So D equals x sub 2 minus x sub 1 equals 0, 0, 4, 0, 14, 10, 2, 0, 2, negative 10, 2, 6, negative 8, 5, 5, 2. So 50 minus 20. Bakit naging 50 minus 20 yan? Kasi we have negative dyan, yung negative 2, negative 8. Negative 8. So, nagtatanong ka kung bakit, paano natin nakuha yung mga yan. So, yung D kasi, yung x sub 2 mo, ima-minus mo lang sa x sub 1. So, ano ba yung x sub 2 mo dyan? Yung score in midterm. Yung x sub 1 nyo, score in prelim. So, 45 minus 45, 0. 48 minus 44, 4. 48 minus 48, 0. 45 minus 31, 14. 58 minus 48, 10. Tapos yung gagawin mo lang dyan, squared mo lang siya. 0 squared, 0. 4 squared, 16. 0 squared, 0. So, dito sa d squared minus x sub 2 minus x sub 1, squared mo lang dyan. Yung nakuha mo dito sa d. So, pag pinag-plus yan, we have 50. So, since may negative tayo, negative 2, negative 10, negative 8, ma-minus natin. So, yung summation of d natin, yung summation of d lang dapat, tatanggalin ko na lang yung 2. So, we have 30. So, d squared, so we have, pag pinag-plus natin lahat yung mga na-squared mo dito, we have 578. So, solution. So, mean of d muna kukunin natin. Mean of d equals summation of d over n. So, yung summation of d mo ay 30. Yung n mo naman ay 15. So, 30 divided by 15, that would be 2. So, tapos na tayo doon. Dito na tayo sa standard deviation. Standard deviation equals summation of d squared minus summation of d squared divided by n over n minus 1 equals, yung sa summation of d squared mo, ito yun yung ed squared equals 578. Lalagay mo lang yun. Tapos yung summation of d mo, 30. Tapos yung n mo, 15. So, 578 minus 30 raised to 2 divided by 15 over 15 minus 1. So, that would be 578 minus 60 divided by 14 equals square root of 37. So, standard deviation equals 6.0827, 625303 divided by 608. So, solutions, t equals mean of d minus null over standard deviation divided by square root of n. So, yung nakuha natin sa mean of d, ito, yung 2. Yung nakuha naman natin sa SD or standard deviation, 6.08. So, i-divide natin yun. 2 minus 0 divided by 6.08 divided by square root of 15. So, ipagpapalit natin si 0 at si 15. Change position ba? So, we have 2 square root of 15 divided by 6.08. T is equals to 7.7459666. 9241 divided by 608. That would be 1.27400767967 or 1.27. So, ito na yung T-computed natin. So, yung decision, in conclusion, since T computed 1.27 is less than our T critical, 1.761, the decision is to accept HO. So, I conclude that there is no differences between the scores in preliminary and midterm examination of third-year criminology students in CRIM 190. So, this is the proof of survey. And this is the end of presentation. Thank you. Yung statistical tools na nagamit is paired sample t-test.